Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Giselle if you're new here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Kim Tai palette that she came out with, Deck of Scarlets. So I'm going to be trying it out and giving you a review. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look and my thoughts on the palette, then keep on watching. To start off with Myth as my transition color. A little disclaimer, I did receive this palette complimentary from Scentbird to try out. So this transition color is super natural looking, like it literally just blends into my skin. It's a really pretty color, but like I said, super duper natural, like you can't really see it, which I guess makes for a really good transition. Or if you were trying to do like a super duper natural look. Now I'm gonna go into Crown, which is like a deep pink. Now the last eyeshadow color is called Enchanted, and it's this one right here, and it's a really pretty peach and it's shimmery. So let's go ahead and put that on. I did it with the brush dry. I'm going to use some of my Soleil Replenish Cucumber Mist, and I'm gonna get my brush a little bit wet because I want to see if I can get it to be a little more intense. Oh yeah. I mean, it's fine without the brush being wet, but I just want a little bit more. A little bit more to it. I want to deepen this a little bit more, and this palette only has those 3 colors, so I'm going to go into my, oh, I got stuff all over, After Dark Bad Habit palette, and this is from, what is that little thing, Hush. And I'm going to use MERLOT, which is this one right here, and I'm also going to use Arousal. So MERLOT is like a really deep brownish purple, and Arousal is a brown. Now I'm gonna grab that darker brown and I'm gonna do it just on the outer part here. Now I'm gonna go in on my waterline with a pencil from PIXI, and this is their eye bright liner. I guess that's really just the name, there's no other shade. Oh, in Nude. So I'm gonna put this on my waterline, and now that this is on, I'm going to use a pencil brush, and this is the 210 from MAC, and I'm gonna go back in with Myth, which was that first transition color that I used. So So I'm gonna go into the After Dark palette, and I'm going to use Cheeky, which is right here, and it's a really pretty orangey shade. I'm just gonna use some oranges on the bottom now. Now I'm gonna go back in with Merlot and Arousal, which were those two darker shades that I used on my crease. I'm going to do my liner and my lashes off camera, and I will be right back. So my eyes are done, and the lashes that I have on are London from Lily Lashes. I actually just got these at Marshall's for $7.99. This is her collection for Sephora. Because your girl is not about to pay $30 for nobody's lashes. I mean, they're super pretty. I love them. But they're just some regular ass lashes to me. They're not worth like $30 from what I see on the website. Like, Nabi. Not I. So I got them for $7.99. I got 2 pairs because, I mean, it's so cheap. You know, whatever. Anyways, the eyes are done. Now I'm gonna go into the rest of the face. The palette does come with a highlighter and a blush, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now, and then we are going to do lips. Okay, I'm not mad at this highlight at all. Look at that. That's popping. My brush is not wet. Listening right now. Then let's go ahead and do the blush, and the blush is called Tiara, and it's a really pretty pink, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, I'm not really feeling this pink. I feel like it's a little too light for me. On my monitor, I'm not even really seeing it, and in person, it just looks like not. It'll probably be good for someone with lighter skin tone, but for me, I need something deeper. So I'm going to grab my good old Raisin to go over this to deepen it a little, because it didn't work for me. Can't find my lip brush, so I'm just gonna use a 212 from MAC, and I'm gonna go in with Kiss. I'm gonna go in with Kiss, which is this one right here. Really pretty, like pinky nude. It looks like matte. I think I tried this on, but I don't remember what it looked like. This is like a really pretty, I would say, demi matte pink, gorgeous color. But the kit also comes with a gloss, which I was super excited about because it's such a pretty color. So let's go ahead and put it on, and the glass is called Love Spell. To finish off, I'm just going to spray my whole face, and this is a Soe Replenishing Cucumber Mix. It smells really good. Now my thoughts on the palette. I think this is a super cute palette. You get 3 colors, a highlighter and a blush, plus 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss. And I think that that's a pretty good deal because this is literally like your whole face right here. Let's say you're going out of town, you don't want to bring a ton of stuff, you can totally just do this. You wouldn't need necessarily anything else, unless if, like, the same way for me, the blush doesn't work for you, you'd have to bring that with you. You know what I'm saying? Like something different. Otherwise, I think that the colors are absolutely gorgeous. They went on super easy. I had no issues blending it. What else? I also didn't get any fallout. Like, there was nothing falling off of my brush that would mess up my face. So that was also a huge plus. Even though, like, that's not a huge deal to me, because I feel like most palettes that are pigmented are going to have a little bit of kickback. You might have a tiny little bit of fallout. I think that that's reasonable, unless if it's something that's like literally like just flaking everywhere, then that's an issue. But I didn't really experience any of that with this palette, so I was super pleased. The only thing that didn't work, like I mentioned, was the blush. Not that the quality is not good, it's just that the color didn't really look right. Maybe it's this look, but it should have been fine anyways, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, maybe in the winter time it will be a better shade for me. But that highlight though, I mean, I am glowing right now. Like, and it's not even showing as much as it is in person. Like, this highlight is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with it. And I am also in love with this gloss. It has a doe foot, so it's super easy to put on. It doesn't mess up the lip. It's comfortable, it's not sticky, and the color is so pretty. So I give this Kim Tai collection with Deck of Scarlets 2 thumbs up. I'm definitely going to create more looks with this palette, so it'll probably be on the channel. You'll see it. The only thing was that I wish she maybe had like a darker color in there, but I think that it works perfectly for like the spring, which it makes sense because it just came out. So it totally makes sense. If you want to darken it up like I did, then I'm sure you have a palette or 2 that's going to have darker browns or purple, so that you can create whatever look you're looking for. Well, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave a link for everything in the description box for the palette and all of that good stuff. I don't remember how much it is. I'm going to leave it in the description box. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you have not done so yet, girl or boy or you, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button so that I know that you are enjoying my videos, and share it with someone you think this might be helpful for. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get to them as soon as I possibly can. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye. And 2 blushes and some eyeshadow colors. I also received some of their 24/7 eyeliner.